Alright guys, what's up? So I want to go ahead and get into the Uber Eats app real quick and show you guys how I'm making that $21+ per hour. So you can see up here it says $88.29. So go ahead and tap that and we'll go to our weekly summary. That should go ahead and pull up my weekly earnings. So from March 11th to March 18th, you can see I'm at $146.24 and I've done 16 trips. And I've driven for about 6 hours and 36 minutes. So if you want to use that as a metrics, you could do 146 divided by 6.5 just to make it simple. That's going to be 146 divided by 6.5. It's 22.46 an hour. We'll call it 22 just because of that 0.36 or whatever it was over here, that 36 minutes for 6 hours. So we'll just round it to $22 an hour with 16 trips. So if you go ahead and go over here again, you could go 146 divided by 16 trips. It's $9.12 per delivery average, which I think that's something to be proud of with Uber, because with DoorDash, I think I'm averaging maybe $6 to $7 per trip, and with Postmates like 4 to 7. But there are some differences in benefits with Postmates, and there are some with DoorDash. So that's a video for another day. Just wanted to show you that it is possible to make this kind of money, $20 plus an hour at least. I mean, I'm not factoring gas, but I mean, there's proof right there, and I've just started this and I'm gonna kill it. I'll have an update for you guys in about a week, because I'm gonna do this full time for a couple of weeks at least, because I'm gonna hit a bonus for my buddy. And if you're interested in hitting bonuses, go ahead and click the link in my video in the description below if you want to sign up for a bonus. If you sign up underneath me and you do 125 rides in 2 months, you'll get a $100 bonus. And the cool thing about that is if you do 8 rides a day, that's about 2 hours worth of driving. You can make about $50 a day just doing 2 hours worth of driving if you're in a somewhat popular area. And plus that $100, you know, it's like an extra like $600 or $700 for that month for you. So link will be in there. Also, if you like this short little video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have a couple different playlists. One's gonna be all apps, one's gonna be all my photography, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Raw Photo, and stay tuned for a lot of new things coming from Austin, Texas, in regards to photography and meetups and apps and all sorts of good stuff. All right, so thanks.